Hi there, this is Rick. Had a teacher write in with a question about using the FCPS 24/7 discussion board. So if I've got students create individual threads in a discussion board and I want the students to respond to one another, she wants to know if there's a way to see if a student responded to their other classmates without looking through each individual thread. And the answer is yes, there's a way to do that. So basically you want to filter, you collect all the posts a single student made in one discussion board forum to see which threads they responded to. And so in this example, FCPS 24/7 class, we've got a number of discussion boards. We've got this discussion board, Introduce Yourself. I'll use that one as the example. And so there are a number of threads in this discussion board. So the way we do this is actually a two-step process. We first use the Blackboard feature collect threads, and then we filter all those collected threads to pull out one individual participant. So the first thing we do is we're going to select all of the threads. You can do that by checking that checkbox right there. If you just want to look at individual responses or threads, you could do them individually, but I want to assess everything, all the action inside this one discussion forum. And so I'm going to collect them all. And so select them all and then use this button, collect. And so I do that. All of the posts made in that discussion board are in one long list that I can scroll through, all on the same page. So this feature, collect, is a good way to organize posts for quick reading. So if you want to read through the entire thing, that's the first step. Use this collect threads feature. Second step would be, so I want to look at and pull out just one individual user's participation in this. This post was made by Lacey. This post was made by me. This post was made by Jennifer. So I'll use myself as the example. So use the filter option, step 2, use the filter option and select the author. So you select the student you want to see, and then go. And that pulls together all of the posts and responses made by that individual person. So that's a way for seeing how active this one person was in this one discussion board, the original posts they made, the replies they made to other students. So that's it. So let me do it again to kind of summarize what we did. So if we want to see all of a student's participation on a particular forum, so go into the discussion board, select all the threads, and collect them. Once you have them all open as a collection, you can use the filter by a particular user and go. And then all of that user's participation is displayed there all together. All right, hope this helps. If you have any questions, please drop me a line.